Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Microsoft Flight Simulator update and how to fix slow download speed. Right? So what you have to do is I'm just going to show you one of the technical steps which you have to follow. What you have to do is when you're having a slow download speed, all you have to do is follow this instruction. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to go to the start forward search here. Then you have to type CMD. Then you have to type for CMD. Right? Once you're done with that, you have to go for run as administrator. Then you have to go for yes here. Right? Once you're done with that, from here now you have to type. So to get this thing which you have to type, I'll be providing a link in the description so that you can read the same from our article. So now you have to type the following. Right? So you have to do this, you have to write this. Right? So INTTCP set global, right? So auto tuning level, then you have to go for equal, then you have to give normal. Right? Once you're done with that command prompt, you have to close this, you have to go for enter, then you have to go for close this. Then what you have to do is you just have to go here in the bottom and you have to go for restart your computer. Once you're done with that, you have to open the game once again and try is the issue is fixed. If not, what you have to do is you just have to go back to the article which I mentioned. I'll be providing a link in the description so that you can read this article from our website, where I would like to make you notice few things also. So sometimes this can be happening, this issue can happen due to some reasons, which means I have to make sure that, suppose imagine that you're using wired or wireless internet connection, try to increase the download speed by upgrading your plan. Maybe because of that this can happen. As you know that the title is all about slow download speed, so this can fix the issue up. So meanwhile, if you're using a wired connection, then you have to try yourself whether it's working properly or not. And also next is all about, you have to make sure that sometimes various antivirus program as well as the Windows firewall can cause the issues for the download of the installation process. So what you have to do is just you have to temporarily disable the antivirus or the firewall program, and here in the same meantime we also recommend you to whitelist the Microsoft Flight Simulator executable file from the firewall as well as from the antivirus. Right? So then try this, which we have to make sure that there is no problem with this. Once you are make sure in this, you have to go for the technical, which I have shown you the technical step, and this can fix the issue on Microsoft Flight Simulator update, how to fix slow download speed. Right? So slow download speed. So that's all about it, and any kind of suggestions are most welcome so that we can improve ourselves. And if you have any kind of queries, most welcome in the comment section, so we'll try our best to get you back to you. And this is Shahan signing off from Get Tips, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out, keep practicing social distance. That's it.